Hello there guys! Guess what I'm having? Of course, it's my favorite coffee. I always talk about drinking coffee. I have coffee once a day, at most twice a day. And well, to be honest, I can't really finish my cup, but I take coffee anyway, and I just realized that coffee is actually very beneficial to our health. Number one, what I know is that it helps boost metabolism. And second, it actually helps give us a healthy liver. So today we're talking about how important our liver is when it comes to our physical health, our mental health, and our weight management goals. Hi there everyone, my name is Jackie D. Welcome to my channel, The Real D. I help moms and women stay fit, healthy, and motivated to become better versions of themselves. Today we're talking about our liver and why the liver. The liver is very important because first of all, we only have one liver, and second, it's actually the organ that detoxifies our body. It's the organ that gets rid of all the toxic substances in our body. So we do have to take care of this very important organ. And if you want to know how to stay fit, how to stay healthy, how to have good mental health, how to feel energized, because I experience all of this, and I guess it's because I and my family have started to eat healthy, not knowing that in doing so, we were actually protecting and keeping our liver healthy. So today we're going to talk about foods that we should take to help our liver stay healthy. Number one, let's talk about drinks, tea and coffee. Coffee protects the liver from disease. It decreases inflammation and causes a rise in antioxidant levels in the liver. So in doing so, it lowers the risk of developing fatty liver and cancer. Green tea, our favorite green tea, because like coffee, green tea has antioxidants. So two very special drinks there. The next group of foods that we want to take into our body to have a healthy liver are whole grain foods. You have whole grain bread, oats, nuts are also very good. And the number one nut for great liver health is walnuts. And also we have almonds. Okay, next one that we have to have on our plates are beets, preferably fresh or raw beets. Otherwise, I love beet salad, so I love that. And apparently beets are very high in antioxidants. I just remember right now while we're talking, blueberries are actually very high in antioxidants. So there you go. And of course, green leafy vegetables, don't ever forget. Come to think of it, we're actually talking about the healthy food groups now that we're talking about liver, because what I'm sharing is how we've changed our eating habits all through these years since our family went into this health journey in 2017. We took away sugar, which is really very bad for your liver, and so that was a huge improvement. We introduced a lot of vegetables, fresh vegetables and fruits. We've taken away all the junk food and chips from our diets and soda, because they all produce sugar in the body, which is very, very unhealthy and damaging to our body. And instead we snack on nuts and fruits. And also fruit juices, are good if they come from freshly squeezed fruit, not the processed ones or the ones that are sold in bottles or things like that. Your body can more easily digest the nutrients of the fruit if it's juiced, So I love smoothies, so there you go. As you can tell, of course, the old lesson that fiber is very good for the body. Yes, it's our broom for the body. So lots of fiber will clean our system, and they're yummy too. And if you're not very fond of vegetables, there are many, many ways to cook vegetables. Number one for liver health is, of course, spinach. And I love spinach. I put spinach on pizza that I make. I put spinach in pasta. I would make pizza crust out of cauliflower and spinach and put some eggs and cheese, and that's a really healthy cauliflower crust pizza. And then on top of that, I'd put some feta cheese and sun-dried tomatoes, and voila, plus a little olives here and there. That really makes for the perfect snack or even dinner. Okay, even before knowing what a healthy diet does for our liver, my family and I already went into eating healthy since 2017. Little did we know that lifestyle has helped us to become the healthier people that we are today. After all these years, like 4 years, 5 years now, if I talk about eating healthy, I can definitely share our success story when it comes to food, because a healthy liver actually helps with overall health. It helps with weight loss. It helps with mental health. And it helps give you energy. Like, I am so energized every day. Whatever energy you see in me in the morning, you see in me before I go to sleep. It's that steady level of energy that I have. If it's time to sleep, I sleep. But trust me, I have all that energy from start to finish. And when I wake up, I will be just as energized. So it's all about healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, and having a healthy, positive outlook. So if you like my channel, if you think you're getting some good value from my channel, feel free to like this video, comment, that would be much appreciated. Share this video, somebody might be needing the tips we have here, and subscribe. And then that way I'll see you again in my next video. I come up with videos every week. That's Sunday at 10:30 in the morning PST. And I hope that you can watch out for my videos as they come. I talk about health, fitness, motivation, and I talk about I share my videos on workouts, which I really love to do. And yes, my video workouts are actually very dynamic and engaging. So I invite you to check one of those videos, and maybe you can join me next time. So I hope you learned from the tips today, because I try to make them simple, doable. No special programs that you have to enroll in. It's just using what you have, opening your kitchen cupboard and using what you have in there and throwing away those that you don't need, and we'll stay healthy and motivated. A healthy body creates a healthy mind, and a healthy mind creates a healthy body. So smile more, smile often, and be happy, because life is short. We want to enjoy it for as long as we can and as much as we can. Bye for now.